Well, I'm getting ready to head to Atlanta to pick up some parts that I'm going to buy off Facebook Marketplace, and I'm at Wells Fargo picking up some cash. And man, oh man, somebody forgot their little life. Oh well. So figure I'd try out these old Meta glasses I got. Gonna go to Atlanta, pick up some parts. Something to do on a Saturday afternoon. Drive the Bozo the Clown Boss. Let it rip a little bit. Let it eat. Car drives good, that's for sure. Found two things on Facebook Marketplace that I thought I'd go get. So I figured I'd try out these Meta glasses, take you along with me, drive the Boss. Shouldn't take too long. I guess the Meta glasses can only record for 3 minutes at a time. So decided to stop at McDonald's, get a cup of coffee. Small cup, 1 shot of espresso, 4 creamers will get you right. Show you what I got. That was the haul. 2 stops. Brand new, probably 11 to 14 Might be 05 to 14, I don't know. BBR billet, brand new. Kenny Brown, lower control arm adjustable. It's a 409 gear. Yep. Let's look at it real quick. Yep. 409 gear. Don't know what the hell I'm gonna do with that. These were at one of the other stops. I don't know what they go to. Yep, put them over here. And then the other part was a Kenny Brown, brand new in the box. Upper 10 up car, and then GT350 catalytic converters and manifolds. So let me get home and I'll break it all out and give you a close what I paid for it. Well, we're home. Let me turn this off. Let me go get my coworkers. I can hear them now. They're my coworkers. Come on. Everybody knows Big Chuck. Big Chuck. What's up? And Little Nash. They're brothers, believe it or not. So here's the stuff. We already got an inspector. I didn't even look at the gear. I think it's brand new though. And there it is. Who says you can't haul in a Mustang? Cats are in there. Yep. Good to go. Get it all inside. Nice little Saturday afternoon run.